Hello everyone. Today I will present the WMS version 3.87 released in January 2018. In fact, the first release of the year. So let's start with graphical and usability improvements of Wildix collaboration. Many of you had been asking to add some search inside the colleagues tab, and so we've added this possibility to filter by ACL or by the department field. And by default, the first time a user accesses collaboration, the colleagues from his or her department will be already present here in this menu, so no need to go to Edit Colleagues and add them manually. We've added these quick buttons to start a call or to start a chat right from the Colleagues tab. In the Chat tab, the geolocation area is now clickable, so you can click it to view the colleague position on the geographical map. Improved copy-paste of chat messages. So usernames and the exact time the message was sent is now included when you copy the messages, select and copy the messages to the buffer. Improve the search field. Company name is now displayed in the results, so you can see right away which company the contact is from, and you can now search by the company name. Additionally, you can see that the Settings tab have been moved to the left sidebar to improve the usability of this Settings menu. New Contact Center feature. Finally, users can dynamically log in and log out from call groups directly from collaboration. What does it mean, dynamically? Users added to call groups via WMS interface are added statically, and you see I cannot change this from this menu. To add myself to the group dynamically, I should just check the groups I'd like to add myself to and then enable the sign-on switch here above. So let's see an example. I've added myself dynamically to the group Elena test. Here in the WMS settings, we have a new option called auto pause on no answer. I can enable it only for this group or for all the groups the call agent is present in. And if I do so, be put on pause in case I don't answer a call within a specified timeout. I will be put on pause for the duration period of the wrap-up time, specified in this Edit Strategy menu of the WMS. So let's see how it works. I'm using Web API interface just to show you when I'm on pause and when I'm not. And here is my group Elena test and my user 324. There is an incoming call to the queue. I don't answer a call within the specified timeout, and you can see that now I am automatically put on pause. In my collaboration interface, I can see myself with a away status, and this status has a duration period equal to the wrap-up time. Right now it's over, and I will remind you that the wrap-up time was set to 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, I'm no longer on pause, and I can receive the calls again. Now let's see why we need this switch called unavailable on away DND. I disable it to show you what happens. I receive a call again. I am auto-paused because I didn't answer a call within the specified timeout, but my status in collaboration doesn't change to away, and there is no visual indication in collaboration at the time on pause as a call agent. One more cool feature many of you have been asking for, the possibility to send a call to voicemail directly from the call dialog in collaboration. You can send a call to your own voicemail or to someone else's voicemail before answering a call or during a call. Connection quality is now indicated for WebRTC calls, same as in the UbiConf conference. Now you can get HTML5 notifications about new voicemails and we improved also the web push notifications. Right now, you can decide to answer or hang up directly from the notification. I'm using macOS, and here I need to press the More button. And on Windows, you don't even have to do that. You can answer or hang up directly. And one more improvement. Continuity feature write-in collaboration called Dialplan. Email notifications improvements. We've improved the layout of these notifications, added click to call back directly from a missed call notification. And the most impressive are the new voicemail notifications, which now include voicemail transcription, so-called speech-to-text feature. Another really cool feature is related to text-to-speech. It's user status message reporting.
User status away. Meeting. User will be available in 58 minutes.
It's available only in English language at the moment. Dynamic generation of audio files using text-to-speech is now possible in Dialplan with play sound or play sound and wait for digit applications.
Elena Kornilova, welcome to Wildix PBX.
You can use also different variables, like here I used caller ID. And don't forget to specify the language by adding a set application.
Buongiorno, Elena Kornilova.
True caller ID name lookup service. Actually, this service was added in the previous WMS version, but disabled by default because we needed to do some additional checks. Right now, it's enabled by default. In case caller is not found in the PBX phone books, the search is performed in online resources. Caller name and company is now displayed for calls from trunks. Please mind that it doesn't work in case you're using true caller ID name lookup service. Some Wildix phones, especially like older models, for example, long names and company names won't fit on the screen. But here you have some customization options. Here using display info pattern, I have decided to display only 5 digits of the caller name. Or I can decide to show first the company name and then the name using the same display info pattern value. Otherwise, using extra display info value, I can display some custom information that I want to display. For example, here we're displaying just the letter W. Added support of call on hold indication with Kuando Busylight devices, and its user status, green in my case, fast yellow blinking, plus delay, plus ringtone playback. This release already includes the support of the new devices which we announced at the Wildix convention, such as WPA and WAir headset. WPA is a SIP public announcer, and WAir headset is a DECT headset with the largest wireless roaming range in the world. And it's not an exaggeration. The case is that its roaming range is guaranteed by the WAir system, which can be easily extended by adding more bases or more repeaters. So please check the manual's website for documentation and for the datasheets. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.